Ripple and Stellar fans, I've got some great news for you. But before I get into that, we're going to talk about Terra, right? UST, what's going on there? There's some big ripple effects that are affecting the entire crypto market. I want to get you caught up onto speed on that. But yeah, XRP, XLM holders, I got some juicy good news for you. All right, let's get to it. And as always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. Celsius Network pulls out 500 million from Terra's Anchor protocol. All right, we got no rescue for Terra. Swiss asset manager denies 3 billion LUNA UST bailout talks. Essentially, no one's really coming to help out UST. That thing is in that downward death spiral. I think the last time I checked, UST was at 14 cents. Think about that. How stable is a stable coin at 14 cents? And guess what? Denelle Dixon put out a nasty tweet about that. Stick around. I'm going to share that one with you. But here is the big fallout I wanted to talk to you about. All right. It's this. Crypto lending suffers amidst bear market and Terra Luna UST debacle. TVL, total value locked. Listen to this. Total value locked in DeFi is down 41% in the last 7 days. In DeFi, 41% in 7 days. Listen to this. Now, Terra, right? Luna, all right? That whole debacle going on over there. They're now 99%. More than 99% of their value has been diminished. Listen to this. Total value locked in key lending protocols is dropping as investors started flipping tokens to stable coins with the intention of cashing out to fiat off-ramping. So they're taking tokens in projects that they're like, oh crap, I am really nervous that this is a risky piece of garbage that I've invested in. They are now swapping those tokens, right? Exchanging them with stable coins. You can go USDC, USDT, UST, right? That's what UST is, what was causing this one, right? They do that, then they off-ramp it to fiat. So a whole bunch of people are cashing out of these projects, using stablecoins off-ramp it, and getting the F out of the market. So now, while we're seeing people bail on Terra, because guess what? Look at this. Binance suspends Spot Luna. So now you have Binance, right? They're not even allowing the trading of that on their chain. This is big stuff here. So you now have that happening. But Stellar and XRP holders, we get to smile. Why? Because as Luna and crap projects like this get figured out and get taken off and, I don't know, get figured out from people that they're total pieces of garbage. I mean, come on, a stable coin with an algorithm base to it that people could, I don't know, easily thwart. Whatever. So let's get to the positive. Abu Dhabi-based Matrix goes live with more virtual assets approved by Abu Dhabi Global Market. Guess what? Matrix, a global multilateral virtual asset trading platform, and we know how much money is in Abu Dhabi, so let's be real here, lists 2 new assets. So while UST Luna is getting rocked all over the place, and don't get me wrong, Stellar's getting rocked and XRP's getting rocked in terms of price too. But people aren't bailing on them. They're still using them. Listen to this. They list 2 new assets, XRP and XLM. The listings come as part of Matrix's bid to bring a wider array of options to traders and investors around the world. Now, earlier I hinted to Denelle Dixon did a tweet regarding stablecoins. Because we got to be honest here, what is really a stablecoin? And we know Janet Yellen's coming because Janet Yellen said, hey, 2022, stablecoin regulation is coming. She did it. I posted a video on it. Go look back, check it out. But listen to this. Denelle Dixon said this regarding stablecoins. And look, people are still listing Stellar in more places. You got more people still using Stellar. You have MoneyGram using Stellar. Now you have Denelle Dixon going out saying, hey, look, we have to now start separating the good projects from the bad, the junk from the gold. Denelle Dixon goes on to say, as a network built for payments, we recognize trust in assets is vital. And for stablecoins, knowing how a token is backed is key to that trust. That is why it is crucial to have a clear definition for tokens that hold a stablecoin label. Now listen to this. You could totally tell who she's going after in this. And now remember, USDC, a big thing, is run on the Stellar network, all right? If the token is not backed by fiat, whether it be the dollar, euro, or peso, it is not a stable coin. Oh, so algorithmic stable coins, gone. Good point there. And this is why we need the legislation. Number 3, if the token is not transparent about its reserves, showing us exactly the kind of backing it has, it is not a stable coin. USDC is held in bank accounts that are under heavy federal scrutiny. Transparency, another good point right here. Number 4, if the token is not open to being audited by a third party that can attest to its reserves, it is not a stable coin. USDT, you guys saying, hey, we're not really going to give you full access to what we're backed by. We're kind of backed by some business junk debt. We got some fiat here. We're maybe 70%. Oh, interesting. Number 5, there are plenty of issuers today who take these important criteria to heart. Now we need regulation to turn these practices into requirements so consumers can have clarity and understanding of what it means to be called a true stable coin. Let's go big screen. This has been a huge topic of the channel now for quite some time. These junk projects out there, all right? And by junk, they come in many different forms. I personally believe USDT is junk. They don't really tell you what they're backed by. They're not telling you what percentage they're backed by. You have no idea. If there was a run on USDT, they said, I think at the last time, they're only 70% backed. That is 30% uncollateralized. That is a ticking time bomb right there. And that is something that we have been expressing quite heavily with XRP and Stellar. There is a use case for these items. There is a reason why they are built, and they are not just Ponzi schemes. Yep, I'm going to come out and say it, because some of these things out here are so close to being Ponzi schemes. Think about it. How are you offering these big yields? How are you offering these 20% yields? It is unsustainable. You do not have a revenue supporting that. You're just hoping that you can use algorithms to make more money by getting more people to come in. That's very much like a Ponzi scheme. You are skating some thin ice. So while Luna, UST, all that kind of bad stuff happens, yes, it has rocked prices. It's rocked prices of good products, XRP and XLM. Now, if you like this video here, I'm pretty sure you're going to like this crypto video right here. And if you want to see what I do outside of crypto when the markets are crashing and I want to clear my head, well, check out this video right here. All right, everyone, take care and have a great day.